In this video, I'm going to show you how to build a powerful Notion to-do list that you can use to manage your work, finances, health, and home life all in one place. This setup is beginner-friendly, highly customizable, and perfect if you want a clean system that actually helps you stay productive instead of overwhelming you. If you've been struggling to keep track of tasks, or you want to level up how you use Notion in 2026, you're in the right place. Before we jump in, make sure to hit the like button if you find this helpful, and subscribe to the channel for more Notion and productivity tutorials. Alright, let's get started. First, open Notion and look at the left sidebar. At the bottom, click on Templates. This opens Notion's template marketplace, where you can find ready-made systems created by the community. Using templates is one of the fastest ways to build a powerful setup without starting from scratch. Once you're in the template marketplace, go to the search bar and type in To-Do List. You'll see several different options, but we're looking for a task board style to-do list that's flexible and easy to customize. When you find a to-do list template that fits this style, click on it to open the preview. Take a quick look at how it's structured so you understand what you're adding to your workspace. Next, click on Add to add the template directly into your Notion workspace. Notion will instantly create a new page with a full to-do list system already set up for you. This is now your personal to-do list that you can edit however you like. Inside the template, you'll notice different categories or sections. Start by clicking on Finance. This section is perfect for tracking money-related tasks like bills, budgeting, or savings goals. You can add tasks here such as reviewing expenses or paying subscriptions. After that, click on Work. This is where you'll manage tasks related to your job, studies, or projects. You can add deadlines, priorities, and keep everything organized so nothing slips through the cracks. Next, click on Health and Wellness. This section is great for personal habits like workouts, doctor appointments, or mental health check-ins. Having these tasks alongside your work tasks helps you maintain balance instead of focusing on just one area of life. Then click on Home. This category can be used for chores, maintenance, or anything related to your living space. Tasks like cleaning, repairs, or grocery planning fit perfectly here. Now let's customize the list further. Click into the page and type Monthly. This can be used as a filter or label to group tasks you want to complete within the month. Monthly planning helps you focus on what truly matters instead of reacting to tasks randomly. Finally, type in Financial Statement as a task. This is an example of a specific, actionable item that fits into your finance category. You can assign it a due date, add notes, or link related documents right inside Notion. At this point, you've built a powerful Notion to-do list that covers multiple areas of your life and can grow with you over time. The more you use it, the more you can customize views, add priorities, and fine-tune it to match your workflow. And that's it. You now have a clean, effective Notion to-do list that actually works. If this video helped you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more Notion tutorials and productivity tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.